now in this lesson we are going to add a link between two pages. Now let's begin by going into our personal project folder and add a file called contact-me.html. Now in it, let's go ahead and call our page Contact Me and go into the body and add an h1 tag that says my personal info. Now add another h3 tag that says address, followed by a p tag that says street name 45N. We also need a phone number, so let's add in a p tag and say 980-768. We also need an email, so let's say in a p tag email-email@email.com. Now add below the email an HR no shade tag and add the a tag. Now let's say ref equals index.html and it says homepage. Now what this does is when the user sees homepage, he is able to click on it and go back to the homepage created by the index.html file. We will copy these two lines and go back into our index.html and add them below our table. Replace index.html with contactme.html and homepage with contact page. The user will be able to travel between these two pages. What he can do is click on contact page and go to contact page, go back to home page, then back to contact page and do this task for hours at end. And that is it for this lesson. I'll see you in the next one.